Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll start chapter 5, that is rights of 11th class polity ncert political theory, first book. So what do we mean by rights? So this chapter focuses on rights, defining them as justified claims or entitlements necessary for a life of dignity and respect. Notes cover various types of rights such as political, civil and economic rights and the important relationship between rights and responsibilities, including respecting others' rights and contributing to the common good. Key takeaways include understanding the rights are claims society recognizes to ensure well-being, that they are not granted by rulers but are for individuals, and that they place obligations on both the state and individuals. So what are the key concepts of this chapter? Definition of rights. Rights are justified claims that individuals and societies hold as necessary for leading a life with dignity and respect. Source of rights. Rights are seen as entitlements granted by society to ensure human dignity and well-being, rather than being given by rulers or deriving from natural law. So what are the types of rights? First, political rights enable citizens to participate in governance, like the right to vote and contest elections. Second one, civil liberties protect individual freedoms, including the right to free expression and a fair trial. Economic rights ensure basic needs are met, such as access to food, shelter and healthcare. Cultural rights support the identity and heritage of people, including the right to education in one's mother tongue. Rights and responsibilities. Common good. Rights obligate individuals to consider the common good, not just their personal wants. Respect for others' rights. To enjoy one's own right, one must respect the equal rights of others. Balancing conflicting rights. When rights conflict, society must find a balance to ensure fairness for everyone. Role of the state. The state has a duty to protect rights and refrain from infringing on them, placing obligations on the government to uphold these claims. How to study rights? Understand the core concepts. So we should focus on the definition of rights as justified claims and their link to dignity and respect. Second thing what we have to do is distinguish the types of rights that are there, like differentiate between the political, civil and economic rights to see how different aspects of life are covered. Then we need to connect the rights and responsibilities, right? Recognize that having rights comes with a duty to uphold them for oneself and others, as well as for the larger community. And we should also look for examples like relating the concept or to real world situations, such as right to vote or responsibilities in protecting the environment. So this will help us getting a better understanding of this chapter. So let's see what's there in this chapter. First is overview. You can just skim through this chapter for better understanding along with watching this video. What are rights? Then let's do it section. Then where do rights come from? Kant on human dignity. Legal rights and the state. Kinds of rights. Let's think and let's do it section for you guys. Rights and responsibilities. Let's debate section. This is the preamble. So please pause the video and read it thoroughly. It is very, very important. So today's homework is this let's debate question. Please do answer this question in the comment section below. Thank you so much for today's session.